Hey, this is Alex with Grow How. These are some old seeds that I just threw out on top of the soil. I raked them in a little bit. And I wanted to pull them out and see how they're doing. And that is actually quite beautiful. I tested some of these a couple months ago, and they had no root nodules. Let's see if I can get that on frame. Those little things right there are root nodules. Yeah, try focusing a cell phone with one hand. And those are what produce nitrogen. It's a relationship with the bacteria. Bacteria come in, get on the roots of the plant, grow these nodules, and they pull nitrogen out of the air and the soil, make that available to the plant, and in return, the plant gives those bacteria a little bit of sugar, a little bit of food. And these are doing exactly what I want them to do. I can harvest peas on them now as they're finally coming into season, but it also means I've got healthy bacteria levels in my soil and my plants can produce nitrogen. I could trim these down now and it would actually improve the soil. So anyway, there you go. That is why you plant peas and beans, and when you plant them, you check and make sure these things are actually appearing on them. Thank you very much. Manana.